What's up guys, we're back, and in today's video we're gonna install some carbon fiber inserts for the steering wheel from the Extreme online store. So let's install it and let's see how amazing it will look. Let's do it. Okay, this is the package. I already opened it, but I haven't unboxed it, so let's see the parts. Let's put it on the hood. Let's put it here. So, okay, it came with some decals. Extreme online store, one big decal and another small one, and this is the insert, the carbon fiber. Hard to do it with one hand. All right. Look at that. This is the top part. I've been waiting to do this mod for a long time, but now we got it. Look at this. And this is real carbon fiber. It's not fake. Look at that. This is real carbon fiber. So this is the bottom part. This is the bottom part that goes like this, and this is the top part. So let's install it. This one, it should be super easy. Just double-sided tape on the back and stick it on the steering wheel, and that's it. You don't need to remove anything. So let's put it on the steering wheel. Okay, so I already have a custom steering wheel on my car. This one is from A2C Customs, so I'm gonna put their link too in the description of the video down below. But this part right here on the center, where the airbag is, around this, is still plastic. Matte black plastic. This is carbon, and this is carbon too. So now with the insert, this one is going to look super amazing. So let's put it on. I have to clean it first with alcohol, okay, in all the plastic, black plastic, so in order the carbon inserts to stick. But let's start with that. Okay, first let's test fit the parts. Let's see. Yes. Whew, fits perfectly. Yes. Yes. This modification, it will fit any Mark V Supra. To any Mark V Supra, A90 Supra, this will fit to any of those Supras. Okay, so let's start with this. So first I'm gonna peel off the backing paper. This red thing. Okay, the piece is ready. Let's put it on. First, let's try to fit. Oh, man, it's sticking already. Let's put the bottom part first. Yeah, start from the bottom, it's easier. And then like this. Make sure it's touching everything. Oof. This is amazing. Now that this part, let me remove the backing. Okay. So now it's ready. Let's put this one. Slide it first. Oof. Let's see. Make sure it's touching everything. Works. Amazing. So this is how it looks. It looks super cool and amazing with the carbon fiber in here. But now I think I need like a Alcantara center for the airbag. But for now, it looks like a supercar with the carbon fiber here and the custom steering wheel. So if you want to get this, the link is gonna be on the description of the video down below. This is from the Extreme online store. Okay, and I wanna give a special thanks for them for sending the product to test it. So it fits real good, fits perfectly. You can see even the buttons. I can press the buttons, they work, and this work too. Yeah, so everything works, even the steering wheel. Oh, yeah. The horn works, so everything works. The fitment, it's pretty good. You can see everything is good in here too. All right, so let me know what you guys think on the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for the support. God bless you. Thank you, and see you on the next video. Okay guys, and it's time for the giveaway. We're going to give away this camera that is over here, and the rules are the same. They are super simple. You have to be subscribed to this channel, you have to put a comment in this video, you have to like this video, and this is only for the USA. And the winner, we're gonna announce the winner on February 15th. Okay, so good luck guys, thank you for watching, God bless you, thank you, and see you on the next video.